This quick guide will teach you how to turn on multi-factor authentication, or MFA, in Salesforce, enhancing your account security. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection by requiring users to verify their identity using a second factor, like a mobile device, in addition to their password. This way, even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without that second factor. Now, let's dive into the steps to enable this important security feature. First, you'll need to navigate to the Setup menu in Salesforce. This is where you'll find all the tools and settings you need to configure and manage your Salesforce environment. Once you're in Setup, look for the Permission Sets option. Permission sets are like security tags that you can apply to users, allowing them access to specific features and functions within your Salesforce setup. They're incredibly useful for managing who can do what within your organization. After you've located the Permission Sets section, click on New to create a new permission set. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll name this permission set MFA Required. Naming it clearly helps you and your team understand its function at a glance. Once you've entered the name, go ahead and click Save. With the new permission set created, the next step is to adjust its system permissions. This is where you'll specify the exact capabilities and restrictions of the permission set. Click on System Permissions, which will direct you to a list where you can see all the permissions available to configure. Once there, click Edit to change the settings. Now, scroll through the list until you find the option labeled Multi-Factor Authentication for User Logins. This is the checkbox you need to enable to require MFA for users associated with this permission set. Check the box next to this option. This simple action greatly enhances the security of your Salesforce environment by ensuring that users must verify their identity with a second factor whenever they log in. After you've checked the box, click Save to apply these changes. It's important to remember that any changes you make won't take effect until they're saved, so don't skip this step. Once saved, the permission set is ready to be assigned to users. Assigning this permission set to users is the final step to activate MFA for them. You can do this by navigating to the list of users, selecting the users you want to assign the permission set to, and then applying the MFA Required permission set. Doing this ensures that every time these users log into Salesforce, they'll need to use multi-factor authentication, adding that essential layer of security to keep your organization's data safe. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned on multi-factor authentication in Salesforce, making your account more secure. Remember, in today's digital age, securing your data is not just an option, it's a necessity. So, by enabling MFA, you've taken a vital step in protecting your organization from unauthorized access. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from increased security in their Salesforce accounts. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.